Hello everyone, my name is Marsa from class 20 and 25A. Today I will be presenting a research article titled Student Experience of Bullying in High School and Their Adjustment and Motivation During the First Semester of College. This study is very important because it shows us how negative experiences as bullying during the high school can have lasting impacts even when students move on to the new stage of life in college. The author explored how bullying influences both motivation and adjustment during the first semester of college. In the next slides, I will walk you through the research objective methodology, key findings, and implications of this study, along with my personal reflection on this reference. First, the title is Students' Experience of Bullying in High School and Their Adjustment and Motivation During the First Semester of College. Author is Olenka Goodboy, Matthew M. Martin, and Zachary W. Goldman. Year is 2060. Journal Western of Communication Vol. 18, 116 until 78. Second is research purpose. 1. To explore whether bullying experience in high school influence students' adjustment to college life. Second, to analyze the connection between types of bullying, relational, verbal, cyberbullying, physical, and culture-based, and study academic, social, and emotional outcomes in college. Third is to investigate how bullying relates to different forms of motivation, is intrinsic motivation, extrinsic motivation, and amotivation. Overall objective is to understand the long-term consequence of bullying on educational transitions. Third is method. 1 is participant. 149 first-year college students enrolled in introductory communication studies course. Gender is 72 male and 77 female. Age range is 18 until 25 years. About 50% were first-generation college students. Second is procedure. Data collected during the first month of their first semester. Students complete an anonymous retrospective questionnaire. Third is instruments. Is 1. Personal experience checklist. Second is academic motivation scale. And last, student adaptation to college questionnaire. Fourth is key findings. Students with higher level of high school bullying experience. 1. Report lower motivation to attend college. 2. Is greater adjustment difficulties, academic, social, personal, emotional, and institutional. Last is all forms of bullying, verbal, physical, cyber, culture-based, had negative impact. Stronger effects is culture-based bullying strongly correlates with poor adjustment. Next is conclusion implication. Conclusion is high school bullying experience have lasting negative effect on student motivation and adjustment during their first semester in college. Implication is universities should recognize prior bullying experience in supporting freshmen. Last is personal reflection. The article is relevant to education and communication field because it highlights the role of social environment and psychological support in academic success. Next, it shows how past negative experience bullying continue to affect academic motivation and adjustment. Last is provide a foundation for designing anti-bullying programs and student support strategies in higher education. In conclusion, this study makes it clear that bullying is not just a temporary experience of high school life. Its negative impact can carry over into college, affecting student motivation, adjustment, and overall well-being. The findings remind us that education and institutions must pay attention not only to academic support but also to student social and emotional needs. By fostering safe, inclusive, and supportive learning environment, we can help students overcome past challenges and thrive in higher education. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.